Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable require verification for browser integration on your Bitwarden Desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the file in the top left corner. Now, let's go over and open settings. You guys can also do that by clicking on the control and then comma. And here let me close security and preferences because we don't need them. We need to focus on the app settings for all accounts. And as you guys can see right here, we have the required verification for browser integration. Now, we cannot enable it because we did not allow the browser integration. Basically, it will allow the biometric unlock in browsers that are not made by Safari or from Safari. And here you guys can also require an additional verification for the integration. So basically you will have to verify each time, and you guys can only use it when the allow browser integration is enabled. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.